This lesson, we're taking the decimal numbers and we're going to output them as binary numbers and hex numbers. And this is all going to be doing a couple functions that we're going to create using Google Apps Script, and we can use them as formulas within our sheets. We're going to create a formula using Apps Script that's going to convert a decimal to a binary representation of a decimal number. So we've got some sample inputs, go into extensions, and under Apps Script, and this is where we're going to create our formula. So to create a function, and we'll just call it desc2, and usually for the formulas they're uppercase. You don't have to, but it just works a little bit better and you can read them better. So this is just expecting the one parameter, which is going to be the decimal input, and then we're going to return back the decimal input and bring it to string. And this toString function has a base value, so we can do it as a base2. So this is going to be desc to binary. In order to use it, go to the cell that you want to use the formula on, press the equal sign within the formula bar, and then within the rounded brackets, go and select the value for the parameter. And then we can just drag it down, and that's going to return back all of the decimal values. You can also update it, and we can create another one. So instead of binary, this can output to hex, and that's hex is going to be base 16. And we'll do another one. So this is going to be the hex values. And again, do it the same way where we can actually, so instead of to binary, we're going to go to hex, and we're going to use the value from B. And it should be actually A2, should be the value that we're using. And then just drag that hex value down to get the hex values for each one of these in the beginning. So that's how you can produce the binary numbers from the decimal numbers. Could be creating a couple functions, and one is going to create and take a decimal to binary number, and the second one is going to take a decimal to hex number. So these are the resulting values, and here's the expected output, and we can just drag this down to get even more values in order to see how the formula is going to be working. See that those are the hex values. Hex ends at 16 and then starts at 1, 0, 1, 1, and then moves up all the way down. The binary numbers are also changing, and these are the expected outputs for the binary numbers.